Welcome to my DIY channel, Tech Edition. Today we're going to be talking about the DJI OSMO Action. Great little camera. Today we're only going to be talking about the 5 essential accessories that you need with this baby. It's a beautiful camera. It's really nice. It's easy to use. However, not everybody has the same budget. So, anyone could just buy probably 20 different accessories with this camera. But let's start off with the basics, especially if you're just starting off with this camera. So the top 5 essential accessories are as follows. Number 1 top accessory is a high-speed microSD card. And I will leave a link below for my reference of where I got the information from, and also links to where to get the card. I have one website that shows several cards. I'll leave that link below as well. But it's very important to have a high-speed card, and here's why. So when you first turn on the camera and you don't have a high-speed card in it, you're going to get this right here. And what this says is card speed low, video quality low, and shooting might stop. Okay, that's not really that cool. And also, if you're in a field and you want to see a video playback, you won't be able to see your video playback because it won't be. We'll do a little test right here. So we got one video on here. If I press that, it says playback is not supported because it's a low speed card. Now the only reason this card is in here is for demonstration, but this card actually came from an old GoPro that I had. I said, oh, I have a micro SD card, I'll just throw it in the DJI OSMO Action, we're good. Not necessarily. So that is why that is item number 1 on the top 5 essential accessories. Number 2 on the list is the DJI Spare Battery. You have to have a spare battery. You just can't have one battery, go out and shoot, and then your battery dies. You have to have a backup. That is such an essential accessory to have. Number 3 is a USB box battery charger. So you can have both batteries charging overnight. You go out the next morning, you grab both batteries, you put them in your pack, and you just go out to the field or wherever you have to go. It's always good to have that charger instead of trying to charge it through the camera with a USB port into the, into your computer or another outlet. So that's important to have. Number 4 is the hard case to actually protect your investment of your DJI OSMO Action. So I got a little hard case here. It's on Amazon, and it basically holds my cage, my camera, other little accessories in it that I need, and I'm good to go. Number 5 on our list is the Movavi Video Editor Plus 2020. This is a great piece of software for editing that you could handle a lot of different things in, but it's not too complex. It's very user-friendly, very easy to understand, and I think you really enjoy using it. I've worked with a lot of different video editors in my time, and this is just very simplistic, and you can make a video very quickly. It also helps you take care of your audio. If your audio is a little fuzzy, it'll help clear it up for you. It has an equalizer tool in there. It helps you put together the videos very sequentially and very easily. It's very easy to understand. And, add music if you want to. It's just very simple, but a nice one for a beginner. So that's all we have for today. Those are the top 5 essential accessories for the DJI OSMO Action. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. I'll have more videos to come talking about the camera and how to use different features on it. So take care. I'll see you on the next video.